Don't look so glum. Rainy days can be fun. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear the space around your floor. That's right now. 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear the desks and stand up straight. 8, 7, 6, 5. Lift your knees and look alive. 4, 3, 2, 1. Follow me, let's have some fun. Rainy day recess. Hi, I'm Colleen. I'll lead you as we take a break and play. But first, make sure you're far away from the computers and use spacer arms to make safe personal space. Are you ready? Let's start with squats. Step touch. Add a clap. Make it high. Now heels up and back. Hamstring curls. Now reach behind. Tap your tennies. And tap tennies in the front. Bring those knees up high. And opposite elbow to opposite knee. Let's go. Elbow to knee, one side only. Other side. Change sides again. Last time, change sides. And hold. Let's jam. Geography jam. Forward is north, back is south. Side to side is east and west.
Go for it!
March in place. Heels north. Add a bounce. Heels east to west. Add that bounce. Now all together. Heels north, east west. North, east west. Again. Last time. Heels back south. It's a lunge. Lunge down low. Let me hear it. Change it to a box step. Box step, other foot. Can you see what my feet are doing? What directions are these? Last time. Easy step, east and west. Lift your heels and skate. Feet together. March. Start still. Jump out, together, out, together, out, together, out, together. Front back, together, front back, together. That's not too hard. the same as side to side. Put it all together. Out together, front back together. Out together, front back together. Again, out together, front back together. Out together, front back together. Now standing with both feet together. Heel out together, out together. Each side changing. Add the bounce. Bring the knees up. Raise the roof. Knees up high and raise the roof to touch the sky. Keep it up. Hands on the waist. Now bring the knee up and over. Up and over. That's it. We're moving now. The next move is step, tap, change. It's called the pony. Prance pony, let's go. Pony round the circle. Now bring one knee up in front, heel the gluteus and back. It's the rocking horse. Knee up, heel to the back. What are we doing? The rocking horse. Other foot in front. Just a few more. Whoa, pony. Little kicks north. Good job. Take those little kicks south. Heel leads to the back. Just a few more. Now little kicks east and west. And march it around the world in place. I'm a little hot, aren't you? Let's cool down. We're almost through. Ready, set, lunge down low. How low can you go? Feet together, rock up and down. Heels and toes, all around. Lunging easy side to side. Come on, let your foot slide. On your toes and reach up high. Still reaching, make it side to side. Slowing down, squat real low. Hold it down and rotate slow. Other way. Almost done, so walk around. Shake it out and let's sit down. Rainy day recess.